Hello, I'm Abdul Fattah Munir. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record part payment made, part payment received from your customer for a transaction. Okay, so now there are two things here. You either create invoice or you create sales receipt. Now the best way to go about this is that you create an invoice, though invoice means credit sales. For the fact that the customer is making half payment, is not paying full, you still have to create an invoice, then receive the payment for that partial money you are receiving. You don't create sales receipt. Sales receipt means you are receiving cash in full. Okay, so let me go ahead and create an invoice here. We're going to select, let's say, laundry. Okay, we want to do laundry to AEDC. That's the job we want to offer. Using today's date, 23rd. Okay, then I'll go to my item, then I'll look for laundry service. I have it there. So let's say the amount is 5,000. Okay, now we have 5,000. This is the transaction. Remember, it's 23rd of February. I'm going to go ahead and click on save and close. Then, but before we go ahead to receive the payment, let's quickly look at our report to see that we have everything intact. Okay, so we'll go to balance sheet standard, then we'll scroll to account receivable, which is under asset. This is it, account receivable. So I'm going to double click on that. Now make sure this is today's date. Now you see here we have 5,000 from AEDC laundry, so it's reflected on the balance. Formerly we are having 50,000 plus the 5,000. Now we are having 55,000 as account receivable. Okay, so let's go ahead and receive payment. The best way to receive payment is to go to the next line. You can see the flow. You go to this and click on receive payment. Okay, now from the receive payment window, I'm going to select laundry for AEDC. You can see that we only have 5,000. So now I can decide to enter the payment here and say I'm receiving, let's say, 4,000. We're not receiving full payment. I can decide to enter the payment here, or I enter the payment here. Whichever method, it will still be 4,000. So let me go ahead and enter 4,000 here. Then I'm receiving it to the same date. Now you see over here, the amount due is 5,000, but applied is 4,000. Okay, now there is an underpayment of 1,000. So we can go ahead and save and close. But before we go ahead, just like we've already checked the balance to see, let's go to customer center and click on laundry, so that we'll see laundry is owing 5,000. This is 5,000, right? So let's go and receive the payment. So once we receive, we save and close. Now when we go back to the customer center, you see now the balance now that we're expecting to receive from the laundry is 1,000. So this is how you can record part payment that you receive for a transaction that you offer or for a service you offer. Going back to the balance sheet also, you see over here that we have, double click on this account receivable. You see now that they've paid 4,000. You can decide to filter this based on the customer, so that you can see for each customer. So you see we have 5,000, 4,000 is out, and we have balance of 1,000 for the laundry service we offer to AEDC. With this, I believe we're able to record part payment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like my video, share my video, and turn on the notification whenever so that you get updated whenever I make new videos.